Hey foodies, welcome back to RovitaS with a super yum and Akky's special recipe of butter chicken. For this, you require 4 pieces of chicken with deep cuts on both the sides so that it could absorb all the flavors very efficiently. So for marination, you got to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as usual as per taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1½ teaspoon of curd or yogurt. Now mix everything very well. Coat all the pieces thoroughly and put a whole lot of marination into the curds. Let it marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. Well, you can also keep it overnight if you are not in a hurry. Now the first secret of this yummy recipe is 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala. And the second secret of a perfect butter chicken is using grilled chicken into a rich and creamy gravy. Duh, it's butter chicken. So you gotta make the gravy in butter, right? So add a lot of it into a heated pan. Now add some cinnamon and mace and saute them well. Now add 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion and saute it till it becomes translucent. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and saute again. Now add 3 finely chopped tomatoes and saute them till they become nice and soft. Now add a handful of cashew nuts and saute everything well. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon dhania powder, and salt as per taste. Mix everything well and blend it into a smooth mixture. Now add some more butter to the pan and add the mixture we have made. Saute it well and add the required amount of water to adjust the consistency as per your requirement. Cook the gravy well, simmer the flame and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. Add cream and keep on stirring continuously. Adding Kashmiri red chili powder to enhance the color of the gravy is completely optional. Now the third and last secret of the recipe. Dry roast kasuri methi on a separate pan and add it to the gravy. Add the grilled chicken pieces and cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now soak yourself in all the flavors and fragrance and serve it as steaming hot with crispy garlic butter naans or rice or chapati or tandoori roti or anything you wish. It will taste equally divine. If you like this recipe and you are feeling hungry just by watching it, then please subscribe to our channel for many more upcoming videos. Also tell us in the comment section about the recipes you want to watch on our channel. Till then, live the life you love and stay foodie.